What's going on today, guys? It's Joe, the Magblock guy. Today I'm going to show you how to install one of our 10 round limiters into a Daniel Defense 32 round AR magazine. These mags are made by Daniel Defense. Our blocks are very easy to install into this magazine. You will have to just make sure that you're going to use the factory retaining plate that comes with the Daniel Defense magazine with our blocks to work correctly. What you're going to do, take a punch or a flathead screwdriver, punch in the retaining plate here, remove the floor plate, set that aside, take the retaining plate off of the spring, take our cut down Gen 2 PMag block. You can buy these pre-cut on our website, or you can buy the 3 packs and cut them yourself. Very easy to do. We just cut the top off here. That's it. Go ahead and install the block into the magazine. Take the factory retaining plate, push down on the block itself. Easiest way to install the product. Take the factory Daniel Defense floor plate and just put it back on the magazine. Give it a good tap. Not going anywhere. You can do a quick fitment test to make sure you like the fitment of the block. 4. It's 8 rounds, 9, and 10. We made it so that you can install this magazine on a closed bolt, and that's pretty much it. We offer this in a 10 and 15 round option, and if you need a 17 round option, contact us. We'd be happy to help you out. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to us at magblocks@gmail.com. Again, this is Joe, the Magblock guy. Please rate this video. Thanks, guys.